Good afternoon to each and everyone. We, the researcher, Jansen Kadukoy, Ms. Jesslyn Walat, and Ms. Kathleen Glo Feliciano from Isabela State University will present to you our research entitled Development and Users Acceptance of Computer-Aided Instructional Material in Learning Common Ailments and Remedy on Android devices. For centuries, people have turned natural remedies to cure common ailments, shifting from synthetic medicine to herbal medicines. C.J. Di Mayo 2019 and L.J. Morilla of 2019. First up is the problem. In terms of medicine and technology, books about common ailments and remedies are limited, and online resources are inaccessible due to limited internet connection, and resources online are difficult to find. There are also lacking of resources when the students undergo on-the-job training, and medical missions and deploy on remote and rural places. It is also laborious to prepare modules and leaflets. It is also laborious in searching information using a printed books and leaflets. Only limited information can be produced. Printed materials are also difficult to maintain and store. Without books or leaflets, some use searching through internet, but without internet, users cannot search for specific common ailments and remedy. As a solution, the researchers aims to develop a computer-aided instructional material in learning common ailments remedy on Android device and to measure the user's acceptance of the application to its users. The general objective of the study is to design, develop a system computer-aided instructional materials in learning common ailments remedy for the College of Nursing that would provide the portable repository of ailments, its home remedy. Specifically, the researchers aims to test the system functionalities in terms of Common Ailments Remedy Dictionary, where A is A to Z common ailments information and B is A to Z common herbal remedy, where C is quick search of ailments and remedies, where 1.2 is trivia, 1.3 is quiz, and 1.3.2 to evaluate users' acceptance in terms of information quality, usability, and portability. Our conceptual framework. Figure 1 describes the concept of the project where the user client can get the app through the offline sharing or downloading to Play Store and install the computer-aided instructional material in Common Ailments Remedy in any mobile phones. Powered by Android on the application, the user can view the common ailment information, herbal remedy information, images, description, common ailments name, local name, scientific name, and procedure on how to prepare herbal remedies and its proper application. The user can also learn trivia facts and answer quizzes. Methodology. The project used the Rapid Application Development, or RAD. It is a software development methodology that uses minimal planning in favor of rapid prototyping. This research adopts the development type of research with application of descriptive statistical analysis on users' acceptance of technology evaluation. The questionnaire is used to determine whether a system is acceptable to users based on characteristics such as context coverage, usability, and portability in the use of technology. Researchers use the software quality standard ISO 9241-11-2018 to examine the application's context coverage, usability, and portability in a systematic way. It was used to determine whether or not the application was acceptable to end users. The researchers used a Likert scale to determine, evaluate, and provide feedback to the system. Likert 1932. This was used to determine if respondents rated strongly agree, undecided, disagree, and strongly disagree. And now let's move forward to results and discussion. The figure shows the minimalist design of the main screen of the Common Ailments Remedy app. The application has 6 menus: A to Z Common Ailment, A to Z Herbal Remedy, Quick Search, Quiz, Trivia, and About Us. The application was designed using XML, or Extensible Markup Language, and it was developed through Sublime with the use of Java, HTML, CSS, and SQLite for the database. The main function of the application was to provide a portable repository module on learning common ailments remedy. The figure shows the list and presentation of A to Z common ailments information on the first image, and the selected ailment on the second. Using this feature of arranging common ailments from A to Z made the presentation of the topics organized, and the user can easily look for the topic. These functions of the system allow users to learn about common ailments and its remedy even without internet connection. The next figure shows the screenshots of how the herbal remedies are listed and presented in the application. The first image was the list of herbal remedies arranged in alphabetical order for a more functional reading. The second image shows the sample output upon selecting one button. This feature of arranging the herbal remedy name from A to Z made also the application buttons organized. These functions of the system will allow users gain knowledge about herbs name and its uses. The figure shows how the search function works. The first figure is where a user may enter a desired search inquiry on the application. The second image shows related words on the search word. And the last figure shows the results of the search word of the user. Through this function, the user can easily find a herbal remedy to a certain ailment by just easily typing the common ailment name or vice versa. The next figure shows screenshots of trivias related to ailments, herbal remedies, and health. The first figure is the introductory and instruction screen for trivias. The second figure is a screenshot of how a trivia is randomly selected from a list and presented with text and sometimes pictures. New trivias will be displayed each time the user taps the screen. Using this feature of the application, the user can gain knowledge that provide facts about the common ailments, remedies, discoverers, and other facts regarding medical practices.
This figure shows when the user start to open the application. The user can start a quiz, and after clicking the start quiz, it will be directed for the first question. So each question has a timer. Figure shows the result of the two sets of quiz. We have the pre-test and the post-test. Each correct answer will be identified by its color green, while the incorrect answer also identified by color red. The application will also provide the correct answer in each every wrong answer. The sets of questionnaire is the same to measure the learning of the user. So pre-test can be accessed upon opening the application for the first time, and post-test if users already ready to measure his or her learning.
The last table shows the overall rating of the application with regards to context coverage, usability, and portability. Garnered a total grand mean of 4.5325, which is equivalent to strongly agree. This is statistically means that in terms of the user's acceptance on the application, the users strongly agree that the application have a quality information and is usable in giving sufficient information about common ailments and their proper remedies. and the application is portable in terms of its portability requirement. Conclusion: the developed application be able to provide a feature that can capture the interest of the students, as the application is not only presenting text, but it's also provide images and video presentations. The application also surpasses the capability of a book in measuring the learning of the readers, as the application can provide pre-test and post-test features that will use to compare the knowledge being learned by the users. Aside from that, it will automatically check and explain the answers to its users. The researchers also included that the application provides a portable tool in learning common ailments compared to books, and searching online on the application can provide information even without an internet connection, and the information is handled. Another conclusion is the help of having a search function of the application that helps the user to find the topics easier and faster. The evaluation of the application in terms of information quality, usability, and portability was evaluated and was accepted by the students with a grand mean of 4.5325, which means that they are strongly agree for information quality, usability, and portability criterion. This means that the developed application is acceptable to use by the students as an instructional material in learning common ailments and herbal remedy. Commercialization plan. At present, the application is uploaded to Google Play Store and can be downloaded for free. The application is also copyrighted. That would be the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening, and God bless.